My name is Brenda Campbell. I'm a barrister at Garden Court Chambers, based in Lincoln's Inn in Holborn. I practice mainly criminal work, criminal practice and procedure, exclusively from a defence perspective, and I've been doing this for about 10 years now. I sit on the Executive Committee of the Bar Human Rights Committee, and we were approached by Tim Souter of ISLP-UK a couple of years ago now to assist with the criminal practice and procedure module of the syllabus for the law school in Tanzania. And it was a project that had interested me from the outset. I had travelled to Tanzania a few times as a tourist, and I'd always loved the country and loved the people. I was very interested in going back in a professional capacity, and obviously it interested me as well from the point of view of the overlaps in terms of criminal practice and procedure and what I could contribute from my knowledge here. So we put a team together with the assistance of the Bar Human Rights Committee and our membership, mainly those who practice criminal work in the UK, but also some from academia. And we allocated roles in terms of preparing the draft materials to go along with the syllabus that we were to deliver when we arrived in Dar es Salaam. And I can't say it wasn't a lot of work, it certainly was. It was time consuming. It wasn't always difficult fitting it in around your day-to-day practice and your professional obligations. But it was from the outset a very rewarding experience, and one which every member of the team got involved in with enthusiasm. The main challenge was, of course, finding the time. There was a secondary challenge, which was finding the materials. We were reliant on local lawyers who did provide assistance in any way that they could, but we were also reliant on looking at versions and many different versions of Tanzanian law, sometimes statutes that have been updated in manuscript, written over, and so there was some difficulty in terms of finding out what exactly the practice and procedure was in Tanzania on a day-to-day basis. But the local lawyers were of great assistance, and we soon developed an email relationship that assured us that we were on the right track with the syllabus that we were drafting. And it's called pro bono, but the overwhelming impression that I'm left with, having been with it from the start, having put the team together, assisted in putting the team together from the outset, having assisted with the drafting of materials, and having then gone on to deliver the course in Tanzania, is that it's really a misnomer, because the rewards are plentiful, having seen it through. It's exceptionally rewarding when you get to Tanzania, when you meet the students who you're assisting, when you see them grow in confidence in their advocacy, in their written work and in their presentation, and when you meet the staff who are trying their very hardest with the materials that they have to deliver a meaningful course to the students who are hungry for education.